Oh, you're right, guys. I just watched Nick the Gardener's video, reminding me it's time to cut up my single seed potato. But before I do that, the last update, I promise you, the last update this year about the prizes for the competition. Okay now, for adults, we got two prizes, a £10 Amazon gift card for the heaviest yield and a £10 Amazon gift card for the heaviest single potato from Robert. Thank you very much, Robert. Now for the kids, this is getting a bit much, this. For the children, we've got a £10 Amazon gift card for the heaviest yield. Thank you, Nick T. A Bug Hotel for the heaviest single potato. That's from Shawn at Shawn's Garden. Thank you very much, Shawn. A Charles Dowden No Dig Children's Gardening book for the second heaviest single potato. And that is from Denise. Denise in the garden. Thank you very much, Denise. A Kids Gardening Toolkit for the highest number of spuds. So that's no matter the little tiddlers, big ones, the highest number of potatoes. So count them all, guys. And that's from Ali at My Rusty Garden. And the two new ones, which I haven't told you about before, because I thought it might encourage people to enter just for the sake of entering. And these are both from Jimmy, and that's at Jimmy Plot 41B, sorry, Jimmy. It's a £10 Amazon gift card for the youngest girl with a crop and a £10 Amazon gift card for the youngest boy with a crop. And I don't mean a haircut, I mean a crop of potatoes. So thanks very much for all of you guys. I tell you what, I wish I was a bit younger. I might have a chance of winning something. So I'll put that away and let's get on with it. So if you remember a while back, I put a line under each eye that I knew was there, and I haven't got any more growing. So the ones I underlined are the ones, see, there could be two at the top. No, I'm going to do that as one. So what I'm going to do now, like everybody else, just going to mark it up very quickly to see where to chop it. So around there somewhere, round there. Right over the top. There, that's a blemish, that's not a mark, an eye. That's got two on that one, so I'll cut that as well in half. And that leaves three on the top. I don't believe it, it's just started spitting with rain. Oh, there we are. It's a pity that I might leave the rose eye on that one together. No. Right. I don't know if you can see all that. I just give you my artistic work there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in this little container here as I cut them. Nice sharp knife. Number one. Number two. A bit more awkward this one. No other. Oh, I can do a straight line down there. And that leaves us, that's the easier way of doing it. 3 and 4. And there's obviously method in my madness. 5, and that's 6 and 7. 6 and 7. Right, there we are then. And what I got, the last of my Rootilizer, potato mist, beneficial bacteria for potato seed treatment. So these are potato seeds. It says to wear gloves, but I'm not going to touch them at the moment. So what I'm going to do is spray them in here this time. I think I might have enough left for next year. Right, let's get some compost. Okay then, just normal clover compost again. I'll tell you what, the quality of this has improved this year. It's a lot more fluffy than it was last year. So about 2/3 full. In the past, I've put them too deep. I think I have anyway. Little bit of empathy root grow mycorrhizal. Not too much, just a little bit in each pot where it's going to sit. and then put one in. There we are. So it's about just level with that ridge there. There we are. One done, 6 to go. I'll do one more, then I'll turn you off. So a bit same, a little bit of mycorrhizal. In with AI, and I. And there we are. Right, back in a bit, guys. And there we are then. 7 cuttings of the single seed potato for 2026. Fingers crossed for me. Catch you in a bit, guys.